Many friends want to have look the raw material of smart lock in gleewell. Today, let us show it to you in our factory.
Our locks outer shell is very strong by using titanium aluminum alloy as raw material produced by CNC machining, until anodized as surface finishing, widely used to various outlook styles. This is the clutch, which is made of stainless steel and produced by high precision casting, high in density, and very well resistant. This is a circuit board. It combines the speaker, emergency charger, fingerprint head, and other accessories in an orderly manner, all assembled into a motherboard. This is a Dongshendao motor, which has very good configuration stability. This is a silicone pad. In order to ensure better sealant stability, we will adjust the size and structure of each product, whether it is the components in the production process or the accessories parts package delivered to the customer. We will configure them neatly according to the standards before leaving the factory. Welcome you inspect us online or visit the factory anytime.